There's a modder. Help!
Modder in the lobby.
Help. Hey, what? Hey, Blue.
I gotta tell him. I gotta tell him.
For a second, I thought you were about to leave the game.
Thought you finna do something, bro. Huh? Thought you finna do something.
Black, can you teach me?
Ah!
Black, can you teach me? Hey, Blue, can you make this?
I didn't move. Oh.
Krabby Patty. Krabby Patty. Ah! Black, can you teach
Oh,
me?
that was last.
Bang. Bro, who's the last person? Hey, Blue, can you make this? Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, he got tagged.
Oranges.
He got tagged back into the game. How did... What?
Chilling.
What?
Ah!
Be me!
Petting my dog.
Hey, Mario,
For
come here.
break their ankles. Oh shoot. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe
Don't
not.
target me, dude.
Maybe not, Chip.
Help!
Maybe not.
Help!
Oh shoot. That's lit.
Bro, don't camp like a little wimpy. Bro, whoever camps is just a wimpy. Yeah, you're Tammy, you're just a wimpy. Tammy, I'm reporting you.
No, I played these games before.
I thought you, bro, run! Take me, the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Hey, stop that! I'm camping you since you're playing bad boy. Wow, bro. I'm just kidding.
Let's
bro.
go.
I'm just kidding.
Let's go. There's one right there.
I like one who tagged you. Yeah,
Ooh.
Yo, Brain, Einstein, I already reported you. Farting idiot. Come here.
Where's some with the tism, buddy?
Get back. I already used it too. I already tagged this kid.
Where's some with the tism, buddy?
Bro, why you so good?
Where's some with the tism? You know what they say. Whoops. Ah, I got stuck. I got stuck. Let's throw the pole. Rhythm with the tism, purple. Purple, help, bro.
It's all about your skin. All right. Why is everybody amazing in this game?
What's the all on the back? Boy, best part of waking up. Photos in your kit. By the way, not sponsored.
I hate when people say you got whatever in the air and they try to
I did see a monkey.
you're in the air. Juke, yeah, good juke, pal. Good juke, buddy.
Oh, he did.
Look where your juke got you. I got your fucking juke, dumbass. Good juke, bro. Good juke, yeah. I can't do it.
That dude's long arms.
Bro. Yeah. I'm always it. I can't do noob. Wait, no. Let me, take me. I'll help you. Take me. No, take me. I hate you.
I'm sorry, bro.
If you save me, you don't respect
Black, what are you doing, bro?
It's Pride Day. Oh! If you tick full, you don't give a shit about black people.
I don't.
Purple! No, if you tick me, a racist. I'm camping you since you can't. Stop, right, I'm talking. Take me. Yeah, Tammy, no.
Petting my dog.
Tick me,
Where
you
I
racist.
check?
Stop ticking me, you're racist. Let me tag him. No.
Hold on, this is what I do. Did I help him?
One, two, purple, black history, purple.
No! I shouldn't do nice things anymore. Can you give me a tag? Help, Green. I helped you, bro. Help me. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Uh-oh. No.
Idiot, that's why you
Help. Black, help me, bro. Help. Oh, he's camping me. Help. He's camping. He's camping me. Why y'all come for me? Huh? Why y'all come for me? Why y'all come for me?
bro. Report. Camming. 1, 2, 3. Unfucking lucky.
I'm gonna stay away from them. Why am I listening trying to help people? Usually doesn't work out.
No, I'm not camping. I got you guys, then I just
I'm left. The long arm dude does not see me. There he is. Hey, what? Long arm, bro, dude. What are you doing, long arms?
No, you wait till people come try and save you. Then you tag them. No, I didn't do that. I literally went for all of you. Fucking shut the fuck up. You're not. Anybody else? What?
Chat. I made him mad.
Well, can you get tagged, please? I'm working. It's me.
I played these games before, monkey. I don't.
It's me again.
I played it. You're cooked. Black, I'm targeting you, bro.
Why is Cam here? He's just in his hand.
Ah, you little shit. He's not running. He's a track stuff. That's wild, bro. That's wild. Oh, that's wild. I'm gonna take black.
Stupid freaking kid.
Oh shoot, overjump that. Oh. You thought you were safe, Black. Black thought he was safe.
I'm freaking leaving this lobby. All these kids just do is camp, and camp.
Chat, whoops.
You actually can't. Oh, you're so bad, stupid.
How did I tell you? I was first. Oh my god. Who is that? How did he do that? I really jumped for that. There's a Britain's lobby. He can get long arms. What he's standing to you? Hank, what are you doing, bro? Hey, Pink. Hey, Pink, help me, actually.
Whatever.
You mind if I copy that colour combo?
Color combo. Whoops.
Bro!
Color combo, purple. Color combo. What's he doing? Color combo. Color combo. Color combo. You want my color combo?
Yeah.
Hey, purple.
What's the color combo? Do you guys want my color combo? It's 5.
You want my color combo? It's like 666 or 777.
Purple! Blue! I don't really want to be
I ain't helping you no more, dog. You got me tagged last round. I ain't helping you no more. Whoops. Oh shoot, chat. They come from me everywhere. I didn't see him. So he got in my face. Oh, whoa. Oh, flipped. Oh shoot, chat. Ah! I'm lacking in stillions. Stillions styles. No, I missed again. When my swerve in a corner roar. when my swerve in a corner roar. I got tagged by the dude. I didn't think you were moving.
I just going mine.
I didn't think you were moving, bro. Oh, you're frozen. I'd watch out, guys. I'm behind you, Mo. I might swerve in the corner roll. Whoa. I might swerve in the corner roll. Oh shit. Ah. I might swerve in the corner roll. Got him. I might swerve. Oh. Ah. I do. I might swerve in a corner row. Watching him. I might swerve in a...
I'm not saving them. Like, Purple, I'm not saving you if you get tagged.
I might swerve in a corner row. Who's left? That's good. That's cool. When my swerve in a corner row. When my swerve in a corner row. I can do it, monkey. I can do it. He can't back in. Oh, that was a pretty good round. I might swerve at the corner row. So you can do it. Appa-da-pa-da. What is happening? Hey, bro. I might swerve. Dude. What's that? Dude, I can't. I'm trying to watch that. No, never mind, chat, never mind. Camper, bro. Thank you, dog. I might swerve in a corner row. Whoa. Oops. Dude. Finna crash. I froze. I must swerve in a corner row. I'm gonna chill with this dude. Did you say stroke off? I might swerve in a corner row. Whoa. I did see a monkey.
Like if they want to sing, they want to sing.
I might swerve.
You know, it doesn't matter if they want to sing, man. They just sing. They want to sing.
I'm saying my distance from that dude. The dude is up here. I might swerve in the corner. He missed it. Dude, that's wild. Might swerve in the corner. Oh shoot. Oh. The signal.
What age are you, man?
Age don't matter, bro.
Tell me your age. Stupid.
Ah, yeah. I might swerve in a corner. I made that. I might swear I'm trying to world actually. I play football and everything today. I might swear in a corner. I'm hearing things. Dude. I might swerve in a corner. Whoa. I'm gonna chill up here. I want some.
Give me a root beer.
That kid wants a root beer.
You ask me root beer?
I might. Hey, Santa Hat, what you doing, bro?
You gonna tag me, bro? Oh, I just missed the snowball. I'm just gonna kill you, man.
What you doing?
You, man.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, he tagged me. I definitely didn't walk straight into him. Santa Hat. Don't run, Purple. Nah, dog. I ain't winning that slide, dog. I ain't winning that slide. I ain't letting that slide, dog.
I'm reporting you. I'm reporting you. No, you're not.
Dude, he's picking the wrong dude to do this with. You're picking the wrong guy, bro. You're picking the wrong guy to do this with, bud. What a, oh, shoot, chat. Thinks he's doing something. He's trying to get up there.
You don't know my name.
I swerve in a corner.
Yeah, man, report him. It's this
Oh,
one
shoot.
right here.
Ah, I got tired.
Yeah. You didn't even tag him. I did. Do not report.
I don't care. He got tagged. What you yapping about? I'm actually done.
I already did that one. Oh, I did too.
Mute him. You keep him.